A substitute teacher in Frankfort faces a battery charge after an incident in a third-grade gym class. School officials say the sub bruised a child's shoulder and made derogatory comments to the third grader, and it all happened on the sub's first week on the job.
Once we found out that the police made an arrest, we made the decision not to have him back.
Superintendent Les Bivens got the call Thursday morning. A third grader at Green Meadows Intermediate Elementary School told a counselor he had been assaulted by a substitute gym teacher and had a bruise on his shoulder to prove it. The teacher, Stephen Royer, was arrested on a felony battery charge in only his fourth day on the job. Police interviewed 21 students, and some reported it was more than just physical contact.
It was derogatory language. You'll never do anything but work at McDonald's for minimum wage or something to that effect.
Bivens says Royer had been a volunteer assistant varsity baseball coach for several years and had just retired from a job at the waterworks. Royer passed an expanded background check to become a sub.
Well, there's nothing to indicate there were any problems.
Bivens says subs have to attend a one-day informational session with administrators before they start, but that's all the corporation requires.
And it's hard enough to get substitutes as it is. That means we take just whoever we can get.
Passing a background check and attending an info session for a day may not seem like a lot, but Bivens says it's adequate.
You're not going to get people to come 2 or 3 days in a row or for the $60 a day that they get a substitute.
Bivens says since Royer was only a substitute and not a full-time teacher, it was easy to terminate both his subbing and his coaching with the district, effective immediately, without needing to seek approval from the school board or teachers union.
He's no longer connected to the school corporation in any way.
News Channel 18 called the Royer home this evening. As soon as we identified ourselves, the woman who answered the phone immediately hung up on us.